HTC may have a rough 2018, but it does not stop HTC from continue their smartphone innovation. HTC U12 Plus is HTC's 2018 flagship that packs all the best innovation that HTC can offer. Will HTC able to survive 2018 with HTC U12 Plus? I'm Alex Ong from Mr. Tax, and you are now watching the review of the HTC U12 Plus. After receiving the good response from HTC U11 Plus semi-translucent back, HTC continued to offer the semi-translucent back on HTC U12 Plus, and it is the only option available in Malaysia. Before we start, let us clear off the specifications of the HTC U12 Plus. You can pause the video here as the specification is shown in the video. At the front, you will find the 6-inch 18:9 Quad HD Super LCD 6 display with ultra-thin bezel. This display supports DCI-P3, sRGB, and also HDR10. Watching movie on this display is such an enjoyable experience, especially HDR video. You also get smart display on the HTC U12 Plus. The default screen resolution on the HTC U12 Plus is 1080p, and you will need to manually turn on Quad HD screen resolution. At the top of the screen, you will find the dual 8-megapixel cameras, earpiece that has the secondary boom sound speaker, microphone, and sensors. At the back, you will find the semi-translucent liquid surface back. Being able to look into your smartphone components is quite eye-catching. You will find the laser sensor to the left of the dual camera, and to the right, you will find the microphone. To the bottom of the dual camera, you will find the dual flash and fingerprint sensor. At the bottom of the back, you will find the second microphone. At the bottom, you will find the microphone, USB-C port, and the main boom sound speaker. At the right, you will find the pressure sensitive buttons and also Edge Sense 2 on both of the sides. Yes, there are no real buttons on HTC U12 Plus. Many are complaining that the pressure sensitive buttons will fail most of the time, but I'm telling you that you don't know how it works. HTC smartphone has one weird behavior, is that after a long time of putting to rest, the whole smartphone will be in deep sleep mode. You have to move the smartphone to wake the phone, and everything will be working as normal. In case you hate the buttons, you can also do everything manually through software. At the left, you'll find the SIM and microSD card slot. Talking about the Edge Sense 2, not only you will have the short squeeze and long squeeze just like the first generation Edge Sense, you will also get double tap to call out action. But double tap does not always work as it should. What I really like about Edge Sense 2 is that it supports Smart Rotate and Smart Dim. By holding both sides, the screen will not rotate even you are side laying down. At the top, you will not find anything aside of the microphone. HTC U12 Plus is IP68 certified, which means it can go into 1.5 meters of fresh water up to 30 minutes. Poolside party will not stop you from using your phone. HTC U12 Plus is running on Android 8.0 Oreo with Sense UI on top. HTC promised that HTC U12 Plus will be upgraded to Android 9.0 Pie. HTC U12 Plus supports both travel and seamless system updates, which is a big add-on. HTC also gambled big with cryptocurrency, where HTC blockchain smartphone will be available at the end of this year. HTC U12 Plus will be the only smartphone that supports CryptoKitties currently. CryptoKitties work similarly like cryptocurrency, but rather than currency, it is collectibles. HTC U12 Plus is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, and the performance is top-notch. However, when you are doing heavy-duty tasks like gaming, you will feel the heat at the metal frame. I did not experience any drop performance even with the heat. As for camera, HTC U12 Plus sports dual camera at the rear, and the combination is a f1.75 12-megapixel wide-angle lens and a f2.6 60MP telephoto lens. With the 16MP telephoto lens, you will be able to achieve 2 times optical zoom and 10 times digital zoom. Also with the 16MP telephoto lens, you will be able to shoot portrait photo. HTC allows you to choose between auto bokeh mode, manual bokeh mode, or no bokeh mode at all. HTC U12 Plus scores 103 points on DxO Mark, and the photo taken with it is just remarkable. You will get great photos during the day and also good photos during low light. You can get good details even on low light photos. Those portrait photos are just remarkable. The blur effect is natural enough where you would think it is taken by DSLR. This goes the same for the front-facing camera. I rarely praise portrait mode, but this is really good. You can flip to change between rear camera and front-facing camera. I see what you did there, HTC. As for video, HTC U12 Plus is able to shoot 30 frames per second and 60 frames per second on both 1080p and 4K video. As for slow motion video, you can only shoot 1080p 240 frames per second. You can zoom in smoothly with HTC U12 Plus. Just look at the video, the zooming is so smooth. Other than that, you are able to shoot 3D audio, high-res audio, and sonic zoom video. You can get steady video thanks to the inclusion of optical image stabilizer and electronic image stabilizer. HTC U12 Plus is sporting the boom sound dual speakers, and the performance is great. Not only you will get clear and loud sound, when combined with FLAC music files, you will enjoy your music as the creator wants you to. You can also hear the vibration of the guitar strings. HTC did not include the USB-C to 3.5mm headphone jack converter in the packaging of HTC U12 Plus, and you can only enjoy your music through the USB-C earbuds included in the packaging. Combined with HTC U-Sonic and active noise cancellation, you will immerse in the music world. You can identify the direction of the individual sound source with FLAC music file. This is how USB-C audio should be done. HTC U12 Plus sports a 3500 mAh battery with the support of Qualcomm Quick Charge 4.0. The 3000 mAh battery on HTC U12 Plus can only provide me 1 day of battery life, not the best battery life that I had used before. Even though HTC U12 Plus supports Qualcomm Quick Charge 4.0, but the charger included in the packaging only supports Quick Charge 3.0. The option for third-party Quick Charge 4.0 charger is still very limited, especially in Malaysian market. If HTC would include Quick Charge 4.0 charger in the packaging, then it would be better. HTC U12 Plus need roughly 1.5 hours to fully recharge. HTC U12 Plus is one of the best flagship that I used in 2018. It got the best LCD display, best performance, great ultra pixels camera, great boom sound dual speakers, and good battery life. However, it did not get the attention as it should because HTC U12 Plus is not special enough to attract eyes. The market now having the true screen smartphone like the Oppo Find X and Vivo Nex, which gain a lot of attention. Being the best in everything no longer good enough. You will need to be extra in one aspect to attract attention from the crowded market with China OEM. HTC U12 Plus is worth any penny that you spend on it. That is all for this review. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. See you on the next video.